is clean up from the highs it printed in the summer of this year, 2024. It reached $38.44. Since that time, there has been various attempts to see if those highs could be retested, but the highs are getting low, are getting lower, but they haven't. But things have began to consolidate. Things have begun to stabilize. We've seen there some stability coming from late September. And if you look at what is projected for its 10-day moving average and its 40-day moving average, it's expected to trade into this wedge that they're trying to form. And amid all of that, there are still high projections: 29.09, 31.87, 33.63. But there are indeed also downward projections: 18.07, 14.27, all the way towards 12.14. If you have a look at it, let's have a look at it. Let's see what the probabilities are saying. Let's see whether we can find any probabilities for any probability. Let's see. Okay, so we have some probabilities. So the probability that it will remain below its 40-day moving average, which is currently at 28.25, is 34%. The probability that it will remain below its 20-day moving average, I really can't see what that is saying. I think it's less than 90%. The probability that it will remain below that is rather more than 90%, more than 90%. And the probability that it will remain below its 10-day moving average is 59%. Okay, yeah, 59%. But interestingly enough, there's a very good chance, there's a high probability that it will surpass its 40-day moving average. And I think statistically, because of the fact that it has these moving averages are at prices that it has already printed before. So that is how statistically things look. So this is its 4-hour chart. This is its 4-hour chart, and it's trading back into its price channel. So yeah, okay, things have changed now. Okay, we have this. The probability that it will drop towards this 200-day moving average is okay. It looks very high. It looks very high, greater than 90%. That's okay. That will be an island projection, 90%, greater than 90%. Or could it be that okay, this I think it's the probability that it will stay above this 200-day moving average. It has to be that is it has to be greater than 90%. Yeah, so the probability that it will stay above this 200-day moving average, I got that wrong, is over 90%. Yeah. We haven't really seen any fresh news. Let's see whether we can find any fresh news. Let's see. It's experienced a 6% decline yesterday. It reported a 1% lower in pre-bell trading. Yeah. So yeah, see what you make of ASTS stock, and